Welcome. If you're looking to enable location access for Telegram on your phone, you're in the right place. Whether you want to share your live location with friends, use features like People Nearby, or simply make sure Telegram works as intended, giving the app permission to access your location is quick and easy. Let's walk through the updated steps together. Start by unlocking your phone and heading straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all your app permissions and privacy options. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for the section labeled Apps or App Management. Depending on your device, it might be called either one. Tap on Apps, and you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Scroll through the list until you find Telegram, then tap on it to open the app's settings page. Next, find the Permissions option. This is where you can control what Telegram can access on your device, including your camera, contacts, and, of course, your location. Tap on Permissions to see a list of all the available options. Now, look for Location in the list. Tap on Location, and you'll be presented with a few choices. To allow Telegram to access your location, select either Allow Only while using the app, or Allow All the time, depending on your preference and your privacy needs. If you want Telegram to have access only when you're actively using it, choose Allow Only while using the app. If you want features like live location sharing to work, even when Telegram is running in the background, Allow All the time is the best option. Once you've made your selection, you're all set. Telegram now has the location access it needs, and you can start using location-based features right away. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and change your preferences at any time. Thanks for following along. For more tips on getting the most out of Telegram, don't forget to check out our other guides. Stay connected and stay safe.